Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to show you the kitchen lighting ideas that will make a big statement. Do you think that your kitchen is missing something or has not reached its full style potential? We can help with that. Lighting fixtures are the most underestimated element that can work wonders for any room's design. Do not be afraid to introduce bold kitchen lighting to decorate the space. Here are some helpful ideas for sprucing up your kitchen with style. The amazing contemporary kitchen is illuminated by lampshade style lights with tasteful brass details. The timeless design highlights the impressive kitchen island, creating a cozy spot for grabbing a snack or drink. Kitchen features a harmonious balance between traditional style and luxurious aesthetic. Nothing would suit this style better than grand crystal over the dining table. The elegant sparkle and deviant design make a bold statement, bringing a high-end look to this kitchen with the amazing dining area. Here in this video, we are showing you the kitchen lighting ideas you should use in your kitchen interior as well. I hope this video will inspire you. If you enjoyed this video, share your feedback regarding it.